This is Shae at Caldwell BBQ. Today we're gonna learn how to mop ribs. Ribs pretty much season them overnight with the AZ Gold rib rub. We put salt on top just to give it that light soft taste. 2 hours on. After that, you first mop after hours. Do another mop after the next hour. Then after the third hour should be your last mop. So this second mop, so this hour number 4. Usually 6 hours on the ribs. And pretty much all you do. And here we got apple juice, rib rub, and that's it. Get your mop, get your pan of juice, and just go at it. It ain't really, you can go heavy. I think heavy better. And that's pretty much it. Just keep it moist. We don't dry out unless you like dry food. So that's like dry foods. But just it's almost like a, how I say, tenderizer. The more rub you put in, the thicker your stuff will get. You go too thick, it look like barbecue sauce. And that's pretty much it on the rub, mopping and rubbing it.